हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज हम इस वीडियो में ग्लोबल आयरन और ट्रेंड्स के बारे में देखेंगे और द करंट सिचुएशन एंड मार्केट इन डोमेस्टिक ट्रेंड्स पे देखेंगे और उसी के हिसाब से एक स्टॉक भी पिक किया है मैंने। उस स्टॉक के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ये स्टॉक न्यूज़ में है तो आई थॉट इट वुड बी अ गुड डिसीजन टू पिक दैट स्टॉक एंड डिस्कस अबाउट दैट स्टॉक। सो कमिंग टू द ग्लोबल आयरन और प्राइस, इट इज़ एट 1 ईयर लो। अगर हम करंट Fe 62% grade iron ore बात करेंगे, that is iron ore, fine grain iron ore. So it was around 100 in the start of June 2020 and currently September 2022, that is after 2 years, it is at the same range. And if you could see in the previous year, it had crossed the 200. So it has come down drastically and it has come down to half level. So there are many reasons which are attributed to this. एक reason है जो कि currently COVID cases in China has gone up and that has impacted the iron ore industry, and because most of the companies have been shut down, and that is one of the reason. And also if you could see domestic steel manufacturers, they have reduced their inventories and that is one of the reason. उसके एडिशन में और एक पॉइंट है जो कि स्क्रैप स्टील ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया गया है and the companies are buying scrap steel. These are the three things which are very important and which I wanted to tell. So coming to the domestic market, even though the international market is not performing very well, the domestic market shown very good resilience and very good strength. If you could see, NMDC is targeting 46 million tons of iron ore production for the year FY23 at the all-time high, which we are talking about. So this is 10% higher than the last year, and this is a very good number which NMDC has shown. So the company has achieved a production of 42.19 million tons sale and 40.56 million tons in FY22, while the turnover was around 26,000 crores. So this is one of the important thing. Another important thing with respect to NMDC, it has also hiked its iron ore rate rupees 4,100 per ton and fine grains 2,910. These two news adds up to the positive step about current situation in India. Even though global market because of demand constraint, it has impacted, but the domestic market looks promising. And one of the challenge which domestic market as well as faced is with respect to the taxation on the export. What is happening is most of the buyers would be concentrating more on the domestic consumption, so that would really help in the growth of the domestic iron ore industry. So these are the two things. If you go to a particular news about NMDC, we could see that the government has approved the demerger of NMDC steel plant in Chhattisgarh from NMDC. So what is happening is the currently NMDC demerger किया जाएगा, NMDC को NMDC और NMDC steel plant बोल के दो कंपनी लाए जाएंगे, and it is happening at 1:1 ratio. So whoever is having one share of NMDC, he will also get in addition to that, he will get one share of NMDC steel. What is going to happen is there is asset transfer as well as liability transfer. कितने कॉस्ट में होगा, कितना वैल्यूएशन को मैच किया जाएगा, उसके हिसाब से एक नया शेयर दिया जाएगा. सो assets worth 18,650 crores and liabilities worth 1,602 crores ट्रांसफर कर दिए जाएंगे NMDC स्टील को. न्यूज़ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है. इस डीमर्जर को द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स ऑलरेडी अप्रूव कर चुकी है. इन स्पेसिफिक NMDC के लास्ट क्वार्टर के रिजल्ट्स रिसर्च करेंगे. देयर आर फ्यू challenges which the currently company is facing. The production is, there is a very low increase in production, but the sales has come down, and if you could see the revenue from operation, EBITDA and average sale of realization, everything is down in a negative. The quarterly iron ore production trend has been very low in this quarter. Even the quarterly iron ore sale trends has been very low. Iron and steel industry is a cyclical industry, and there are various factors. Monsoon also plays its factor in the growth or in the profit and revenue part of these industries. So वो एक challenging part हो जाती है. See the fundamentals of the company. एक कंपनी बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है. ये 39,000 crores की कंपनी है. स्टॉक पी अराउंड 5 है, एंड रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड एंड रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी इज वेरी गुड, एंड प्राइस टू अर्निंग ग्रोथ रेशियो इज 0.17. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इज इट्स डेब्ट टू इक्विटी इज वेरी लो फॉर सच अ ह्यूज कंपनी. बहुत ही कम डेब्ट पे ये चल रही है. एंड इफ यू सी द मीडियन पी इज 7.7, बट करंटली द पी है 5.06. तो मीडियन पी से भी कम पी में अभी ट्रेड हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स अबाउट दिस कंपनी. हम क्वार्टरली सेल्स देखेंगे, क्वार्टरली प्रॉफिट देखेंगे, तो इट हैज कम डाउन. दैट इज ऑलरेडी आई हैव शोन दिस पार्ट इन द प्रेजेंटेशन. One thing about this company is there is lot of investment coming, there is lot of capital work in progress, and that would really help this company की revenue बढ़ाने में हेल्प करेगा। द प्रोमोटर्स हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड देयर शेयर बट इवन एफआईआईस हैव रिड्यूस्ड देयर होल्डिंग्स बट डीआईआईएस थोड़ा इंक्रीज़ किया है उनके होल्डिंग्स को। इफ वी सी द टेक्निकल चार्ट ऑफ एनएमडीसी हम देख सकते हैं कि द करंटली इट इज़ अराउंड 130 range, लेकिन during April it has passed 170 and it even went down during the dip to around as low as 100, but again it has consolidated at 130 range, but with the demerger news बहुत सारे that has not been taken positively और बहुत सारे red candles भी बने हुए। We see that there was one green candle on August 5th, but उसके बाद 130 range and even the news of demerger has not shown any positive impact in the value of this company. But again, if you want to make a long-term investment, this company looks promising and looks like it has a very good potential to do good in the future because of the growing demand in the Indian economy and the growing need of iron ore and steel. This company is definitely going to make its mark in the coming days. And if you are making any fresh investment in this company, I would suggest to wait and watch and see how things pan out in a few more days, and maybe you can take your decision based on that. But again, please note this is just my thought about this company. This is not a buying or selling recommendation, and this video is only for educational purpose. And please do make your financial decision based on the advice from your financial advisor and your own financial will. एंड इफ़ यू डू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड हम अगले वाले वीडियो में मिलते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।